Has the Indian company Reliance really invested $300 billion in America and in the refinery that Donald Trump has announced? No, not really. Today morning, Donald Trump announced that after 50 years, a refinery was opening in the United States of America. The Indian company Reliance was investing $300 billion to make the cleanest and the most efficient refinery in the world. First of all, I think the real cost of making this refinery will be less than $15 billion. What Donald Trump is adding up to his figures is for the next 20 years, the contract will be that the company Reliance will give a uh, give an assurance that they will continue to buy a minimum of 160,000 barrels of oil each day for the next 20 years. And I believe if you add all that figure up, that's what comes to around 150 to $200 billion. On top of that, the local jobs, the economic effect, and the value that this will bring. It's a financial jiggery that adds up to $300 billion. This was a deal that was agreed by the previous administration of Biden, but well, Mr. Trump is a marketing guy, so he's just showing it as his win and the money that he's bringing in. Secondly, from the Indian side, I think they have tried to do a couple of things. First of all, Reliance has a huge refinery in Gujarat, Jamnagar, which is very close to the Pakistan border. I think it produces over a million barrels of oil every day. I think what this deal does for them is that in any future conflict with Pakistan, they are putting this as an insurance, because if you have invested so much money into the US and you are close to the US government, the chances that one of your biggest assets in India being targeted goes down dramatically. So I think this is one of the reasons why Reliance is doing it. And secondly, the reason US is announcing it now is that they need a justification to allow India to continue buying the Russian oil um, going forward. Now, India has been buying a lot of Russian oil, which the US has been saying that they don't like. Even today, they announced that they have allowed a 30-day waiver to India so that they can continue to buy Russian oil and um, uh, balance the demand that is in the world and keep the prices in check. I've got a feeling that even after this 30 days, they will continue to buy the oil from Russia, and US just wants to make sure that it's got some sort of a selling point domestically, that look, they invested so much money in our economy so that we could allow them, and they are our trade partners and friends, so we are going to give it to them and we are going to allow them to buy. So I think this is the whole game. It works out for both countries, so good enough, but I'm just a bit surprised with the numbers that's being thrown around. So I just wanted to explain to everyone what these numbers mean.